Hi guys! Ako ay pupunta sa gym. Anyways, bago ako bumaba ng kotse, tanong ng huling mastermind, this is for everyone na nag-enroll or may in-enrollan pero hindi natapos. Kasi a lot of our students are actually having that issue, no? And that's why yung mga modules namin is about 1 year because, you know, life is happening. So, ano nga ba ang definition ng tutok, no? Tutok means focus. Sabi namin, ang definition namin ng tutok is really making time to finish it and making sure na magti-take action kayo. Kasi nag-invest na kayo sa sarili nyo. Sayang naman, di ba? So, you have to make time for it because a lot of the students at least, okay, I have one job, I have a family to feed, to take care of within a day. So, how does your day look like to be able to focus? Do you have at least 1 hour for yourself? Hindi naman nanghihingi ng like another 8 hours. But come to think of this, no? You want to have a specific time. Kasi paano pag lumapag na sa'yo yung potential client mo? Saan ka na pupulutin? Saan mo na siya isisingit? So, as early as now in the planning stage, di ba? Ipasok na yan sa schedule nyo by learning the skill that you are trying to learn. And who knows, after you learn, you earn. See you!